creating a sign up session for the new user. So we have to go to our confusion server folder. So inside this there is a users.js. So before that we have to create a user.js schema which is used here. So we have to create a schema. For that we are needing a mongoose for mongodb database server connection, and schema variable for mongoose.schema method property of the mongoose. And now we have to start creating a new schema name user, and it has the properties name username type string required true unique true, password is type string required true, admin is type boolean, which means whether it's true. By default it is false. And module dot export this schema as a user. And now we have to go to the users in our express session. So here we will start with importing the schema. So first of all we are using body parser, and then import the schema user from models, and then we have to create a router dot use body parser dot json. So allow all users to register in the system. So first adding router post sign up. So post router is adding, this method is adding here in this forward slash, so that whenever the new client comes for sign up, so it will support only the slash user slash sign up for post method only. Rest like get put delete method will not support this sign up endpoint. So inside this we are calling the function which is required res res next. So sign up for new user is using the endpoint slash user slash sign up, and for so user to sign up, so they will must provide a username and password as a JSON string inside the body of incoming post request from the client side to the server. So from body check that so we have to check that whether that particular username is present already exist in our system or not. So for that we are using a method called user. So user dot find one, so it will find the username in the request dot body dot username. So request given by the client side, inside the body there is a username field. So we have to check this username in our user system. So if user already exists, then we have to see the user. If that user is coming given by the client is not null, means that user is already existing, then we will have to provide error to the client side, so preventing to create duplicate sign up. So error user already dot body dot username is already exist with the error status 403. And then if the user is not there, then next then else the admin will allow the client to create a new user. So return user dot create by the method create method username rec dot body dot username and password rec dot body dot password. And when new user signed up, return promise. So after sign up then the user provided we have to give the response to that user rest dot status code 200 rest dot set header content type application rest dot json. So here the status is registration successful, and user will get the user here whatever the user is provided, and the error, if there is an error it will check the error also. That's the use of these users to create multiple users sign up.